Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. For today's video, we are going to be doing an install on both the brake light bulb and the reverse light bulb. I actually was lucky enough to partner with, I think you say it Auxito or Auxito, I don't know, it's Auxito. We partnered up for this video to show you guys a really good upgrade for bulbs for both your brake light and the reverse light. So without further ado, I'm gonna have Jake go for it, brother. As you can tell, if you look closely, and I've been hiding in the videos as best as I can, but my driver's side brake light's out, so this was a perfect time to upgrade it. And then let's get a little bit of the reverse light. Let's see how they look. There they are. There's basically like the regular halogens. So as you can see, this is how it looks like for both bulbs. Decently bright, but let's see if we can fix that today. So here's the package. It's really small. I didn't expect it to be big though, because they are just bulbs. Shout out to them again for collabing with us with this product, because I've been needing it bad, and I don't want to give the authorities any reason to pull me over more than they should, because that's an instant state ref. But let's open up these products. So let's see what this first one is. Alright, so this first one is going to be, I believe this is for the brake light. So we have the Auxito LED light. It's pretty simple. It should be just a plug and play. You can see the LED bulbs all around. It's looking really promising. I definitely need that bad, because my driver's side, it doesn't even turn on anymore. I hope it's related to the bulb and not maybe like a further electrical problem. But here's the next one. So the only thing I'd say is we can't really tell which is which, but here's the another LED light. I'm assuming this could be the reverse, just for the pure size, but I really don't know. But we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna have Calvin and Jake tackle this, because they're the main mechanics on the job today. So the good thing though is my rear is completely gutted, so it's gonna be easy to reach that area. So if we look back here, you can see all the plugs and stuff are like within reaching distance, so we shouldn't have too much of a problem with that. But how long do you think this is gonna take, bro? 10 minutes? He said 10 minutes. And you just plug it in, so honestly, it's not a hard job to do.
Just that, and then you install it by. So there's these little tabs on here.
Yes, sir.
And this is what locks it in. So there's like cuts and grooves that you plug it into, and then you twist it to lock it.
Okay.
So
all right.
I can't really see.
Okay, so we're gonna let him plug that in, but Jake's already in the driver's seat, ready to activate the reverse lights. Oh, the key. That's right, brother. So let me give him the key. It's right here. There you go. All right, it's done. That literally took less than some. Yo, it looks good. For real, this looks good, bro. Keep that up. Yes, sir. We good. Let me get a little up close. Ooh, guys, do not sleep on this, man. Especially since I got a link and stuff. You guys got to make sure to use this, and stay tuned, because we definitely will have more collaborations with Auxito, because they're a channel partner. Alright, so this video is kind of short, so I'm going to have Jake turn my car on and give it a few revs. But go for it. Alright, sounds good. Today's just a day of cold starts. This man's single.
Hit me up.
I'm hoping that this car will be something that we can have in the videos more, because it is running pretty well now. It would be interesting to see it run against the SI, the Miata, even maybe my Accord, even though because it's stock, it's not gonna be fair. But I mean, I'm still down. But let me know in the comments below if you want to see more S2000 stuff. Hey, let me see this one. All right.
Not too loud today.
We might have to get an update on this car. It's gotten through a few changes.
It has. Steering wheel. It's got the new seat. It's kind of dirty in here, but you know, if you hit me up, I'll clean it for you.
Alright, so the last cold start that we need to do to complete basically all our cars is the G37, so let's get into that. Go ahead. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. It was a little bit on the shorter side, but hopefully it helped you guys out in selecting which bulb would be good for you to upgrade, because I do see a lot of people on the Facebook groups and the forums asking about which bulb they should go for, and I'm gonna say that Auxito is definitely really popular. I've seen it as a suggestion even before we collaborated with this, so hopefully you like the installation and the before and after, but I'll see you in the next upload.